have been cold there in my shadow, to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, well, you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name, a beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings.
It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth, that I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? Everything I wish I could be. And I could fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings.
Give me a M. Give me a A. Give me a M. Give me an A.
I love you, Mama. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy
Mother,
Day
thank you.
for loving.
Us.
I love you. We love you.
We love you.
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Pinapasalamatan ko si Lord sa buhay mo kasi kung wala yung foundation na tinuturo mo sa amin, hindi rin kami magkakaroon nung faith as we grow old. Ikaw yung nagdala sa amin sa Sunday school, hanggang sa tumanda kami, ikaw pa rin yung umaakay sa amin sa church. And alam ko, pinag-pray mo ng maigi para lahat tayo makabalik sa church at makapaglingkod. And nagpapasalamat din ako kasi wala kang sawang pag-aalaga kay Nate. And ayun, maraming salamat. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Mother's Day, Ma. Pinilig ka palagi at palo ko naman kaluguran ka at ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Sabi mo ng ang kailangan, yung problema, tsoko mo kin bilang ishin sumaho hanggang yung nagiging gino kasi naging handa ko at salamat karing eganaga ng binye mo, karing eganaga ng sakripisyo mo kaming anak mo. Humimingat ka palagi, baka ba nakapag-bening din at makabawi ko man lang karing eganaga ng sacrifices mo, gawa mo ka na ako o ay ikaw kapatid. Salamat.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you sa pag-work mo at pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Love you. Happy Mother's Day. Relax ka lang, huwag ka magpa-stress.
Hi Mother, how are you? Happy Mother's Day. At syempre, salamat. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat sa pag-guide. At syempre, you're the best. Wish ko sa'yo sana stay healthy. Syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan yung lagi niyong ginagawa. Magpasalamat sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay sa atin ng nasa itaas. Yan lang. At love you, ingat kayo lagi. At syempre, Happy Mother's Day na rin sa bunso namin kapatid. Happy Mother's Day, syempre, at sa lahat ng nanay dyan. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, love you all.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Love you, kay pera.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I love you!
Hello, Mami. Happy Mother's Day. Gusto ko lang magpa-thank you kay Lord sa buhay mo kasi hindi ako naging hindi kompleto dahil sa'yo. Sobra-sobra, umaapaw pa. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers and especially to our moms. We are truly grateful for everything you've done for us. Thank you for your love, support, and sacrifices. Always be safe wherever you go. Continue being kind with other people.
I love Happy Mother's Day. Sorry kung makulit kami ni Bilok. And thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin. Alam mo naman, love na love ka namin. Sorry kung pasaway ako. And thank you sa mga pagpupuno ng mga hindi ko kayang punuan. We love you so much. And alam mo naman, mamaya na lang. Wink wink.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you.
Mama, Happy Mother's Day. Salamat po kay Gana-Gana. Imingat kayo po palagi. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Dakal salamat kay pamag-alaga mo kaya kami may kakapatad. Balo ko matula ka na may kumpleto kami yan dyan. Lo kami mo. Balang araw makumpleto kami rin may kakapatad at kayado mo.
Hello Ma, Happy Mother's Day. I thank God for you every day. Thank you for everything na gawa mo para kaya kami. You're the strongest person I know. And I pray that God will bless you the desires of your heart. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, Lola Sexy! Love you! Lola yan?
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Tamo, love you.
Hi Tita, Happy Mother's Day, and to all the mothers, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo lahat.
I would like to greet all of the mothers. Happy and a blessed Mother's Day sa inyo pong lahat. Lalo na po sa aking ina na siyang ang nag-aruga sa akin, nagpalaki, nagpaaral. Kung wala siya, wala pong Pastor Dan. At ako po'y bumabati sa kanya ng isang masayang araw ng mga ina sa araw na ito. I don't always say this, but I would like to say I love you, Ma, and from the bottom of my heart. And I pray that magpagkalooban ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahaba pang buhay na makakasama ka namin. At I pray na ingatan ka ng Panginoon at gabayan sa araw-araw ng iyong buhay. Pagpalain ka, aking nanay. God bless you.